Ano? 100 lang?
Opo. Isa.
Ay, dalawa?
Isa! Ang duha. Oh, kana 100.
Pero medyo, na?
Payat.
No, diba?
Kasi iba kasi yung texture ng male at saka ng female.
O, kana bakit babae na?
No.
Hindi.
Lalaki gyapon na?
Lucky gyapon. Kasi
Kung gusto mo ito na lang lagi. 280. Tagaan mo ko 80 pesos.
mayroon ka 200?
O, mayroon ako 200.
Yan, gikan 200 mo.
Gingkawat ko sa imo. Gingkawat ko sa imo ang 200 mo. Lugamit ko sa 80.
So, wala ka bukas ang kwan?
Wala ka sa bukas.
Kanang tawag ni Bird Sanctuary.
Oo. Mag-ato na siya. May entrance ang bird sanctuary daw.
Yes.
Sila.
Hindi ko lang maalala kung magkano pa.
May ara daw entrance.
Ay, ka na. Ano?
Kasi basta na pagpunta namin.
Pero may
mayroon kami entrance na.
O, ari na lang. Kay basi magmahay pa ka. Masakitan kapag heart mo.
No problem.
Baliktad.
Ano to?
It's okay.
Ano to?
Shrimp.
Shrimp. Ito.
You hate shrimp?
Ano to? Boreless?
No.
Hindi siya
Marinated kuan siya. Flying fish.
Oh.
Bangsi.
Flying fish? You remember?
fish.
Flying fish we dry in Davao?
Yeah. With
The more bone than meat?
Oo.
Boneless flying fish?
Kailan natin?
No, this is not boneless. 120.
Hoy! Mata na!
Mata na. Mata, bitaw na. Oh, eyes. Mata na. Kali dapat i-borders na ako.
Okay na bayad mo?
Meron na.
Dapat.
Tapos na.
Hoy!
Okay na. Tapos
Let's
na.
go na! Sige lang, istorya.
Marites by the video. Hello guys. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. See you tomorrow. Maybe.
Maybe.
Tomorrow bring your old ball pen.
So I need to fry this one.
Yes, and my office mates actually requested that I will make more video about you cooking food. But I said that I'm always sleeping. So they tell me that dapat you teach your wife how to use camera. So you can make video. So you can have 1 million followers. And you can earn a lot of money and you don't have to work here anymore because you're so annoying.
Okay, I will make video.
What
Hi
kind?
guys. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Fish is our ulam today.
Bulad?
Ang amil ang magkaon. Naman na.
Yeah, something like that.
So you need to put your camera on my head so that when I'm cooking,
No, you need to put your head under my camera.
abnormal. You buy ice? You have coins?
I think I have. Why it always like this? Huh? It just turned off the one. It just turned off the screen. I was thinking it will turn off the camera. Anyway.
5 lang.
Uy!
Ano pangalan sa ito'y da? Rocky. Uy, hello Rocky. Welcome to my vlog.
Ano? Lucky?
Rocky.
Rocky?
Bato.
Rocky!
Ayusin mo yung tali niya, ano? Nakaano.
Ano?
Ayusin, hindi iyang higot ba? Nakabutang sa iyang sa ilalom.
Okay lang. Bahala siya.
Wala kang tatay niya. Sa nawala itsura niya, kigi mo parehas. Perte kay Net.
No price increase
Marlboro.
since last hour.
Bawal sindi dire.
Oh, you want to be friend to me?
Oh, di ba okay ng tali niya? Nagtanggal na siya.
I told you. Life will provide. God will provide.
Ay, sa kundang. Ay, 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 ay,
Ay, ay, ay. Ay.
Duha. Hello.
I will go na ha.
Ay, natulog.
Bye, Toy. On, where are we going? It's very dark. Toy. Oh, another one, no. Cannot see, very dark.
You cannot open the door.
Me too. I cannot open the door.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.